though he's using his stick. Also echoing how Efren Reyes. He's like a volcano. You think maybe pack it in, and then you find another spurt. It's get out of. It's a great. Brilliant shots! That was deliberate!
Yeah, I get lucky.
In a way, looking. Oh, and that's why his bank manager likes him.
Welcome back, pool fans. Today's match features the legend Efrenbatareyes against an English player from London, England, a 6-time world snooker champion and holder of the world #1 ranking for 7 consecutive seasons. He is none other than Steve Davis. This extraordinary event is the World Pool League Championships held in Warsaw, Poland in 1999. It's a once-in-a-lifetime encounter where a pool legend meets a snooker legend on the pool table. So like this video now and let's dive in. This 9-ball match constitutes the semi-finals of the World Pool League 1999, featuring a race-to-7 format. The battle on the leg was closely contested, but the referee declared a win in favor of Steve Davis. Consequently, he will have the privilege of breaking first. Contrary to the tournament's name, only 6 notable players were chosen to participate in this event, with the competition spanning 3 days. Davis broke dry on the break, leaving Efren with an open table.
Very hard to say because he don't speak much the English, Efren, but had bowled together in the Asian Games. I'll get the feeling that both him and Bustamante rate.
Efren overran position on the 3-ball here, but observe how he handles this situation.
Bank. Oh, and that's why his bank manager likes him.
Efren executed a fantastic bank shot but came up short on positioning for the 4-ball in the side pocket.
Well, this could be a bit special. Loads of side on that cue was so difficult for that centre pocket corner.
And how about way left?
Despite the challenge, Efren's expertise allowed him to set up for the 5-ball. And a 6-9 combination shot is available to quickly finish this rack.
Except all he's got to do is err on the inside, because you can make a mess of this and still pot it off the cush.
Efren Reyes scores the first point of the match. Let's move on to rock number 2 with Efren set to break.
Efren can smell pretty green. Over £7,000 to this. Do you remember the whole
It was a solid break, but unfortunately, the cue ball also went in.
I think don't always go for the heart and come off this like ice. But I've seen the greats, like control of the white ball is sensational.
Let's see what the snooker player brings to the pool table.
Oh, beautifully worked.
Steve Davis is 42 years old at this time.
To debrief off yourself about perfect position.
He is widely recognized for his dominance in professional snooker during the 1980s.
Just behind the brain, you know, when I'm watching the pool players, they don't, I think, straight away poor position, but it's not, it's perfect. It just takes some getting used to.
The snooker legend flawlessly ran out the table, securing his first point of the match.
To become world class in the world pool and the world of snooker. Wherever you go around the world, each
We now proceed to Rock 3 with Steve Davis showcasing an excellent break shot.
to become right. L.
The magician Efren Reyes is a strong favourite, but Davis is capable.
The English player executes a remarkably clever safety shot here.
Few legends are the greatest players ever known to pop their way out of shots that most men would only.
Too sure exactly what.
Well, there is if the bases and if the other balls go in, it's still in play.
Efren attempted a one-rail kick shot, but has now left a shot opening the table for Steve Davis.
Not sure. Oh, I think that passes top left. Oh, now they're hooked on cool. Which rhymes with cool, and you don't learn in school yet.
Steve Davis reached 8 World Snooker Championship finals in 9 years and secured 6 world titles.
Don't like getting them into the pool hole. When I was 14, they couldn't get me out.
Surely this man is no joke. He has the ability to adapt and switch to pool, which is a different discipline.
Less than half ball contact wanted. Oh, said it.
But of course, nobody's perfect, and he missed an easy 8-ball shot here.
Cue ball, also played a more difficult play, just caught that.
Also, that is an alien shot to him, that skid shot. That drag. So, a lesson he thought he'd learned, just misapplied. Davis.
With that mistake, Efren capitalized and is now on the lead, 2-1.
He's got such an aura about him that he's probably.
Spot. And although he flings the cue about and wobbles it round,
Entering Rock 4, Efren managed to pocket a ball on the break.
it could look. Safety.
Efren chose to play it safe in this instance, but has left a long shot for Steve Davis.
After this. Oh, didn't want that.
Steve Davis went for the pot, but unfortunately it didn't land in position for the next shot. But watch what he does here.
Well played, Steve.
Get out of.
An incredible shot from the snooker player as he attempted a masse shot and successfully made the 2-8 combination.
This is true. But. Efren
But let's continue watching as 4 more balls remain on the table.
Efren will emerge.
Oh my goodness.
And without this.
Unexpectedly, Steve Davis missed a relatively easy shot on the 4-ball, once again providing an opportunity for Efren Reyes.
Just like, what on earth are you trying to draw? Look at that.
But Efren landed awkwardly on the 6-ball, prompting him to play it safe this time.
Look at this.
Both players will now engage in a series of tactical defensive plays, focusing on safety shots.
I thought he might try an each way bet. Try again, maybe a shot. He did try a very much in the shot. Read it round away.
Let's observe and see who will come out on top in these exchanges.
Put the green in behind.
Certainly experience and making the right decisions are key factors in this situation.
He's going for what you suggest. White. Wait.
A safety battle between these legends is truly a treat to watch.
He's gonna try. is out. One chance with the bank.
Efren opted for an aggressive bank shot but played it two ways, successfully landing on a safety spot.
Well, to the side.
Top cushion, side cushion.
It was a commendable effort with a two-reel kick shot from Steve Davis, but it has now opened up a shot for the magician, Efrenreyes.
It's very rare for me to see Steve Davis, well, but that's the case so far.
Well, he is taking money off the Americans in big chunks since 1983. Yes! And the goulash cooking up here. Final to the world number one, Efrenreyes, the world champion.
We now proceed to rock 6, with Efren still leading 3 rocks to 2.
That yellow and wax.
Got to be fair to this kind of. We've been playing alternate break. This is winner breaks. And in the world championship, you really got
Steve Davis broke try and Efren responded with a truly impressive rail first shot on the 1 ball.
The spin on that white to take, bending his knees, hoping that will make a difference.
He also obtained excellent position on the 2 ball, and now he has an open table layout.
the strike zone. Some kids, Wordsworth, some kids. Hold by.
In this year, Efrenreyes secured 12 major pool titles, which includes the World 9-Ball Championships in the year 1999.
Poor position shot onto that orange 5. He was looking to play the intermediate onto the back end.
The title. 11 of them world.
Movement into it, but I can't see if he's going to be able to kick that across. So, well played, well played. That's when Davis comes into his own.
In this instance, Steve Davis executed an incredible counter safety shot,
A lot of the time,
leaving Efren hooked behind the 8 ball.
I don't think he's a thinker.
Efren recognized the low percentage of making contact with the 5 ball, and he opted for an intentional foul, cleverly leaving the 8 ball as a blocker for the 5.
thinking, have I missed something here? Is that good enough?
Steve Davis once again executes a solid safety shot in this situation. But Efrenreyes is known for his skill in kicking shots, so let's see what he does here.
That's what he's after. No?
It was a truly impressive kick save from Efren.
Find the black takes. Actually, it wasn't that sophisticated. I think that was an attempt to
Steve Davis was tempted to go for the bank shot but did not manage to make it.
ominous alignment with the black and the 9.
This has now given Efren the opportunity to run the table once again.
He has. He was playing.
Or the each way.
The winning shot here is the 8-9 combination, and Efren was able to position the cue ball on the favorable side of the 8.
Genius at work.
What a remarkable shot from the magician to conclude the rack.
Efrenreyes.
This break, watch the 9 ball, centre ball of the diamond.
Oh my goodness.
Was he really up the pace? That's
But something unexpected occurred in rock 7 as Efren incurs a foul,
7.
with the cue ball going off the table after the break.
Same place. I think he tried to throw down the gauntlet to Steve. Say, well,
Steve Davis has ball in hand to start this rack.
think, oh, that looks good. This man looks like he knows what he's doing.
In addition to his 6 world titles, Steve Davis secured victory in the UK Championship 6 times and the Masters 3 times, accumulating a total of 15 Triple Crown titles.
Sweet shot from Reyes.
Steve Davis once again makes a mistake and misses the 3 ball, consistently giving Efren another opportunity at the table.
He's like a volcano. And then you find another stud.
But pay close attention here as Efrenreyes is lining up a shot on the 3 ball.
Get your silicone.
Watch his cue stick as he lines it up near the 4 ball.
In that guy's head.
The next shot here is the 3 ball, which is far down the table. And we will never guess what's on the mind of this pool legend.
Brilliant shots.
Played it.
That was deliberate.
Yep. Davis left the table clean for the shot he played.
Yeah, I get lucky.
Once again, a truly spectacular bank shot from the Filipino legend as he sinks the 3-ball off the 4-ball into the corner pocket, where he had lined it up earlier before the shot.
Long, short, cut or thrust. If the three musketeers had been
This is truly what sets apart Efren Reyes from any other pool or snooker players. It is his ability to make these kinds of shots in serious and high-stakes matches.
Looking to attack. He's seen those shots before.
I totally admit that. His tactics. This is a great money player.
Efren Reyes now holds a dominant lead of 5 racks to 2.
Oh, lucky son.
We now move to rack 8 with Steve Davis executing a good safety shot on the 1-ball.
They prefer the corners as it is, so I presume he's going to take that.
Pool fans, if you have made it this far, please don't forget to hit the like button and comment below to let us know where you are tuning in from. Thank you very much for your unending support.
It's not. So if you're not dead on with where you're hitting, I mean, I've got the billiard manual 99 critical shots in full, and they list.
Unfortunately, in this instance, Steve Davis hooked himself, leaving him with no direct shot on the 3-ball.
Use a proper through cue. Every shot try.
Oh my goodness.
Steve Davis failed to make contact with the 3-ball, granting Efren ball in hand.
But he doesn't want to start.
So if the point ever came where he thought the good habits for this, learn,
If Efren can run this out,
that's it.
he will be the first to reach the hill.
He got really good at this, yeah. Look at them taking a 6-2.
Efren Reyes excels in seizing opportunities, and once he takes hold of them, he never lets go. With a solid run out, Efren is now on the hill, leading 6-2 against the English player. The magician will be breaking in rack 9, so let's see what unfolds next.
Iranian world champion efrenbatareyes. This is with style, a golden break to sink Rumpet Slim. What is this man not capable of?
The match concluded in a truly surprising golden break from efrenbatareyes, securing a dominant victory over the snooker legend with a score of 7-2. While both players displayed exceptional skills, it was Efren's expertise